Happy Friday, everybody. Today is Fact Friday on the Daily Spoonful. And today's topic is how long it really takes to start burning fat after cutting carbs. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your daily bite of low-carb wisdom. So you cut carbs on Monday and you're looking down at the scale and you're wondering, why haven't I lost any weight yet? We've all been there, right? Well, let me hit you with a fact. Fat loss takes time because your body doesn't simply just flip a switch. It has to rewire a whole system, and that system is very complex. So when you stop eating carbs, your body has to shift from burning sugar to burning fat. But first, it has to burn through all the glucose in your system and all the glycogen. Then what happens is the insulin will drop low enough to release the fat from storage. What has to happen next is that you have to activate the mitochondria to burn fat efficiently, and sometimes heal underlying insulin resistance before that can ever happen. This process could take 2 to 7 days and sometimes longer, especially if you're metabolically damaged like I was or coming from a very high carb lifestyle. So cutting carbs is the first step, but becoming fat adapted, that's when the magic really starts, and that requires patience. When I first started low carb, I expected instant results, but what I got was a few days of water loss, which was encouraging, followed by nothing. What I didn't see was my mitochondria were getting upgraded. My body was switching fuels, and when it clicked, I felt it. Energy, focus, appetite freedom. Then the fat started dropping. It actually started melting off. It was like magic. So drop a comment if you ever felt like giving up before that switch happened. You're not broken, you're rebuilding, and it's working even before the scale says so. Trust the process. You're not stalling, you're shifting. Give your body time to unlock the fat burning mode. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.